Render Scene creates a JPEG or PNG image based on the graphics area and defined view tools. Define the resolution, format, and quality of the render. Select Render Scene from the toolbar. In the graphics area, a preview box representing the output area of the render is displayed. To get the best image preview prior to rendering, minimize all panels with the Maximize icon in the graphics area. Select a resolution from the dropdown. The preview box changes based on the selection. The width, height, and size are listed below the resolution. These values are not editable unless a custom resolution is selected. Select between JPEG and PNG from the Format dropdown. Check Remove Background to prepare the image for compositing. This adds an alpha channel where the background is removed. To set the termination conditions of the render, select the desired quality from the dropdown: Custom, Production, Medium, or Preview. Preview creates the lowest quality preset with a quick render. Production creates the highest quality preset. Set your own quality definition with Custom. Custom quality requires max time and max sample values. Max time defines when the render terminates whether the conditions of the render output are met or not. Max sample limits the number of progressive rendering steps performed. If none of the other conditions are met when this value is reached, the render finishes. Check maximum quality and specify the quality level and converged pixel ratio at which the render terminates. Converged pixel ratio is the amount of image that must reach the defined quality level. Click Render to create the image and store it in a new tab within the document. Click Download Image to create the image and start a download of the image in your browser.